parents think having a baby will be like this. But the reality can often feel more like this. You may feel like you're doing something wrong, or that everyone else's babies are sleeping more than yours. And other people might give you advice on helping your baby sleep for longer. But actually, it's normal and healthy for babies to wake and feed during the night until they are close to 1 year old. Newborn babies have very small stomachs and need to feed often, so they'll wake around every 2 hours. However, every baby is different when it comes to sleep. Encouraging a baby to sleep more deeply or for longer before they're ready can put them at increased risk of sudden infant death syndrome, also known as SIDS. When you're tired, everything feels harder and it can be tempting to do whatever it takes to get some sleep. But to reduce the risk of SIDS, it's really important that you follow the ABCs of safer sleep. Always sleep your baby on their back, in a clear cot or sleep space. This will help to keep your baby safe so you can rest easy too. If you are struggling with sleep deprivation, don't be afraid to ask for help from family or friends, even neighbours. You aren't meant to be doing this alone. Hang in there. You're doing great.